Welcome back to my channel and thank you for wanting to watch this video. We're gonna do a pedicure today. We saw how it started. Right now I am just doing all of the prep work. So I'm starting with pushing the cuticles back and then I'm going to clean them up. I already soaked her in all of the necessary liquids so that we can loosen up what needed to come off and make room for what we need to put on. Today we are going to be using acrylic that I got from TEMU. So yes, this is another TEMU goodie video, but I'm going to be using the glitter acrylics this time. So I am just using a sanding band for the moment right here to just get the shine and the oil out of the nails. And then you'll be watching me use the drill bits that TEMU has gifted me with. Don't forget to check the description block for all of the products that I am using in this video, as well as for the code to save on any of these products and any product that TEMU has to offer. Everything's going to be in that box. While I have your attention, I do want to also mention that TEMU has a humongous sale going on spring and summer and up to about 90% off of the entire site. So definitely check that out. And while I have your attention as well, make sure you go back and watch those other two videos that I've done that are for TEMU. You will see the original massive dump out that I received from them. And then the second video. So the first one is me applying the acrylic. The second video is the polygel. But you can find both links to both videos in the description box of this video. And by all means, I know I am not the first person to ever discover drill bits. But what I will say is this. I see so many that do the dry manicure or the dry cuticle work. I'm going to tell you what's going to help you if you are having any issues and struggling with cuticle cleanup, you know, anything within that category. You want to soak it first. So I pretty much just put her feet into rose water. I added my oils, my essential oils, and then they soaked for a good 10 minutes. This process alone is going to loosen up everything that needs to come off in order for you to have a flawless install and application. So I may just do dry if I'm in a rush, but that's on myself. When I'm working with my clients, I make sure that I provide them with the good soak. I give them a good massage and I give them a great service and they come back. Using my handy dandy nail files that I also got from TEMU. They came 5 in a pack and I've used them in the previous 2 videos as well. So right now I'm just shaping her natural toenails, dusting off the debris, and then I'm spraying them with a little bit of rose water and cleaning them off. So the next thing that you're going to see me do is use these handy dandy wooden sticks. I use these with everything. It's like Frank's hot sauce. If you know, you know. But what I'm saying is they work wonders in cleanup. So I did the best that I could with this polish. I did not show the process of painting them. My apologies. And now we're jumping into the acrylic. If you want to see the other acrylics that I did swatch, you should definitely go check out that first video. This is one of many glitter acrylics that I received from TEMU as well. I want to say that they're around the price of $2, which is definitely a big bargain. You will not find that anywhere. And I'm just being honest. The one problem that I did run into continuously, but I noticed that it's just the product, not saying that it's not any good, but it's super thick. So when you usually use a glitter acrylic, the chunks may not be as huge, or it just may be more clear acrylic that's inside of it. This one had so many beautiful shapes and sizes of the glitter that it was just super thick no matter how much liquid I used. So I think the next time that I do use it, I just might add a tad bit more clear acrylic into the jar, and hopefully that helps it loosen up. Other than that, it was a breeze. It was super easy to lay. I did have to file down a lot of the bulkiness, and you will see that. So let's continue watching. I completely apologize about the view. The camera, well, what I had the camera set up on, it just kept jiggling. So I tried to like edit that part out, but then I didn't want to miss the good stuff. I'll do better next time. Here you see me cutting down the bulk as I mentioned before. Now the difference between a glittered acrylic and a regular acrylic with no additions inside of it is the fact that when you are filing down the bulk on a glitter acrylic product, it's going to come off in flakes, and it's going to be flakes about as big as the glitter in the product you used. So keep that in mind, because what I ended up doing was taking some of the glitter from the glitter stack that I showed you. And it's also in the other two videos. You're going to see me take that same glitter and fill in any spaces that could have like, you know, a patch here, or just to make it look overall more opaque. I am not perfect. I am not a pro. I do okay for myself, but I'm not gonna come on here and act brand new, because even the best has errors. So I just wanted to give you that tidbit. If you just happen to luck up like I did and have pretty much the same shades within your loose glitter that you have with your glitter acrylic, that is definitely a bonus, and you shouldn't even run into any other problems. Just don't forget to encapsulate with your clear. And that's what you see me doing here. Once I get this final product as smooth as possible, you are going to see me add my top coat, and I am finished. Do you see the glow and the bling in these nails? Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. I hope you learned something, and if not, let me know down below what I can do differently. Other than that, thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.